If you're dealing with a lot of data in Excel, there's a good chance that you will have data with duplicates. Let's look at this example in column A right here. You've got customer names and you've got plenty of duplicates within the customer name. And let's say you wanted to get a list of unique customer names. The Remove Duplicates feature in Excel can help you out. Select column A and go to the Data tab of the ribbon, and then select this Remove Duplicates button. This box will ask you to confirm the columns that you are wanting to look at. We'll hit OK. And then when you hit OK, it will remove all the duplicates that it finds. This little box here shows that 773 duplicate values were found and removed, and 29 unique values remain. So the Remove Duplicates feature in Excel will take your data and it will actually delete all of the duplicates that you have. So if you don't want to delete any of your data, Remove Duplicates might not be the best option for you. Let's look at another option that might help you out if you're not wanting to affect your actual data. This function is called Unique, and all you do is type Unique, and then you select your range of items that you want unique values for. You'll notice that I only typed this formula once, but it provided me with a list in multiple rows of all the unique values. So just type it in once and it's going to return all of your values. If there was data in the way, say you had another cell, it's going to give you this spill error which says, hey, I need to return multiple rows, but there's some actual data in the way. So if you delete that, it'll show you your unique values again. The key advantage to this function is that it will not do anything to your original data. So if you had a large data set and you just wanted to find the unique values, you can just use this function, maybe even in another tab, and then it will give you what you're looking for. The downside to Unique is that it's only available for Microsoft 365 users or those people who have Excel 2021. This last example is just to show you how Remove Duplicates works when you have multiple columns. The Unique function works the same way, but we'll select columns F and G and then hit this Remove Duplicates button. We've selected both these columns, and if we click OK, it's only removed 282 duplicate values and left 520 unique items in our data. When dealing with multiple columns, Excel in essence combines the values of the columns and removes any data combinations. So we have Bluth Company multiple times in here. However, we only have order 1001 and the Bluth Company once. 1004 and the Bluth Company once. So the items that stay are the unique combinations of order and customer in our case.